See this guys, I just need to complete these small surveys and I can get $5 to $100 per day. You can see this. I can redeem this much amount of points every single second. You can see this. Okay. Just watch along this video guys. I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn a good amount of money by just conducting these small surveys, and you are getting paid for that. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just conducting some surveys and promoting affiliate or referral programs. You can see guys, it's a 100% genuine website where you can conduct unlimited surveys and where you can able to retrieve your money onto your bank account. Okay, so what steps you need to follow is just follow along with me. Okay, so first of all what we need to do is to just do the registration part. Okay, if I just want to click on this register button, okay, so I just want to do the registration part. Okay, I just need to click on this agree button, and what I need to perform here is to enter my mail ID. So I just quickly type my mail ID. Okay, so I have entered my mail ID, my password, confirm my password. Okay, and this verification code I just need to put in. Okay, just click on this register button. You can see this guys, new user sign in. Okay, so there is a mail that is come to your mail ID. So just open your mail ID and see a verification code is sent to your mail ID. Okay, just do have a look on this. Okay, so it will take some time guys. Okay, so they are saying that it might be on some spam mails as well. Okay, so do check it. Yes guys, you need to have to check this spam mail. Okay, so just copy this guys. Due to some link sharing, it will give to your spam link. Okay, so I just quickly verify my account. Okay, you can see this man. Just click on this next button. You can see this. I just need to give my nickname. Okay, so I've just entered my nickname. I just need to give my date of birth. Okay, and just need to give where I'm located. Okay, just click on this next button. Okay, so I have successfully did it. Okay, so what you need to give here guys is to name of your PayPal. Okay, so you just need to give it. Okay, all your personal details that you need to give here. Okay, so I just quickly gave it. Okay, so your education, whatever you did. Okay, your occupation. Okay, industry, whatever industry you are related in, you just need to give some details. Okay, just quickly do it. Income stature, show it medium guys. Okay, don't show it too low. Okay, otherwise they will not give you that kind of service. Okay, so you can see this. Congratulate, complete your following information, more service. Okay, so you just need to add these type of service on your account. Okay, whatever service you need to do, you can promote it. So this is your dashboard. Okay, so you can see this guys. This is a dashboard where I should get service. You can see this. If you just click on this service button, okay, and you will get, you can see this. These are the surveys that you can get. Okay, so I just click on this V survey, and there are lots and lots of surveys that are available. Okay, so they are 100% genuine guys. Okay, you do not have to do any such kind of things. Okay, you just need to fill this captcha guys. Okay, it's easy, and you just need to fill these details. Okay guys, so if I just give 31, okay, so you can see this. Okay, just do some enter your specific details, and your survey is good to go. You can see this. Okay, so this is just completely a complete tutorial that you can do. Okay, you can complete whatever service you want. You can see this market research, and if you want to retrieve your money, you can just come up here in this my wallet, and you can see this redeem. Okay, redeem option. So minimum threshold is your $5. Okay, for which you should have 2,500 points. Okay, so while conducting these surveys, okay, it will take hardly guys 5 minutes to conduct a survey of 220. So you can do it and able to retrieve approximately guys $10 to $20 within an hour. Okay, an hour or so, and it will take 5 working days to get into your bank account. If I just click on this 5, why? Because guys, I don't have currently the balance. Okay, so I have to complete these surveys, otherwise I am not getting paid. Okay, so this is one way of doing it. Another way is guys, you can see this, you can check out your other things as well, and you can do the referral part as well. Okay, you can refer your friends and make your friends to join this link, and you can be getting paid for that. Okay, so I just need to click on this invite friends, and you can see this what type of link I just need to give. You can see this, input your friend's email address. Okay, so you can enter your friend email address like abc guys. Okay, abc@gmail.com, you can give it. Okay, and the invitation is automatically sent to your mail. Okay, or otherwise what you can do is to share this link guys. Okay, share this link. This is a whole link. Okay, so what you you just come up here and just type bit.ly. Okay, you just need to type bit.ly. Okay, you just need to short your link, so just copy paste your link and just click on this shorten. Okay, and you can see this guys. Okay, this link is shortened, so you can share this link with your friends. Okay, just you need to copy this and share it whatever platform you are compatible with. Okay, you can share it on Facebook, you can share it on Pinterest, on reddit.com. Okay, I just show you a sample where I always do these kind of parts. Okay, so you can see this earn money. Okay, I just need to type earn money online. Okay, you just need to give this thing and just need to post it. Okay, you can either give some new links as well. Okay, you can give a post as well on this. So it's very important to do these kind of points. Okay, and you will getting paid. Okay, there are some affiliate programs as well, so you can join these affiliate programs. You can see that I can apply immediately, and so that guys, you can promote the products of this whatever website this offer. Okay, you can promote that thing as well. Okay, you just need to join this, and a verification or the affiliate link will be sent to your mail ID, and you just need to promote it. Okay, so it's very easy guys, it's super simple. Okay, and you are getting paid for that by just conducting surveys. Utilize your free time while doing it. And guys, if you like this video, just write down in the comment section what type of videos you like. Okay, how to earn money online. Just give me suggestions of your niche, of your profession, so that I can help you to gain more income, generate more income online. This is it for this video. We'll see you in the next. Happy earning.